are ready. Help me count them down. Wood County, 5, 4. Go! To make that move, that number 26 of Brad Menard. So many cars right at one time. As Trace Trumbull stuck right in the middle. Oh, and they're calling it right there. All stop. So the officials kind of talking about this one as, man, oh man, just right at one time, 4 of those cars just quit. And 2 of them got hung up. 1 sandwiched between someone else that was already out. Wow. What these mini compact cars can do out there. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have your official results here in just a moment. But it looks like the win's going to go to the number 26. We also will have the Angry Beaver Award. So here is how it runs down. Again, in first place, congratulations to Brad Menard in the number 26. In second place, that goes to Thomas Russell in the number 828. Congratulations. Third place is a tie. So third place tie goes to James Merwin in the number 44 and Trace Trumbull in the 6T as a tie for third place. And your Angry Beaver Award goes to Ed Decker in the 77-78 car as he finished 10th in the division, but on those first 4 to 5 minutes had some really huge hard hits. So congratulations to our Angry Beaver, the number 77-78 of the Ed Decker.